Hello guys, this is Gospel Ogiagbe. So today I'm going to talk about the Appsumo lifetime deals offers that you can get right now. So today I want to talk about the three Appsumo lifetime deal that you can get right now. Those software I'm going to talk about is AI content writer tool. So it's content assistance tool. It's a tool that assists you to write a blog. Let me say you want to write a blog about a particular title or a keyword you want to rank for on your blog. So these AI tools will help you to write all those blogs you have on your head. Just tell them what you want to write about and they will do all the work for you in just a click of a button. So I'm going to talk about three AI assistance tool that allows you to generate content in just one click. So I want you to keep on watching this video. I will show you these three AI tool and how you can get it for just one-time purchase. So I want you to keep on watching. Let me show you AI content generator tool that will help you to write a blog, and you can get this tool for one-time purchase from Appsumo. So just keep on watching. Let me show you how. First, AI content writer tool. So you can see the name of the AI writer tool, which is a wordhero. So wordhero is AI content writer tool. Is a tool that allows you to generate blog. Look at what it says. So use AI to generate original blog posts, ads, sales, copy, emails, and more in just one click of a button, like I told you from the beginning of this video. And what you can get from this tool from Appsumo, you can see that this app on this software on Appsumo is just in a price of $89 for one-time purchase. So you are not going to be making like every single month subscription, but you are going to just make this purchase for just only once, and you will have full access to this tool for life. And that is why I like this AI content writer tool, which is a wordhero. And if we scroll down here, what you can get from this tool, before we get into that of the pricing on the main websites, let us scroll down here. So if we scroll down here, look at what you can get from this tool. You can generate up to 20,000 word per month. You can say monthly forever, and access almost all 150 plus writing tools, which is you have multiple tools, not just only to just generate articles, but different kind of tools that you can find when you access this tool. And you access all, you say access to all features, writing to template. You say discover topics, ideas, and writing engaging blog content. So it keeps on going and so on and so on. So if I keep on saying it here, everything will just keep on going and going and going. So you already know that you can get these two for just in a price of $89 for one-time purchase. So to get this two, the link will be in the description. If you want, the link will be in the description. It will be the first link. But before I want you, before you buy it, what I want you to see here, if you go to wordhero main website, you will see that the pricing comparing to the pricing that they have now on Appsumo is different. So let me show you. Let me go to their main website. So as you can see now, we are on wordhero main website here. So once you come to the main website of wordhero, I'll click on pricing here. So if I click on pricing, you will see that it's $49.99 per month, and it's even on sales. Normally it's $99, you can see here, and that is the startup plan. And they have the premium plan, which is $348 monthly. Not monthly, I think this is per year. And they have the per year plan, which is a $29.99 paid. That is monthly, and if you convert it, I think it's roughly going to be $348 per month. Not per month, but per year. This price here is how much you are going to pay per year. But if you pick it by monthly, it's $29. But if you want to go to other plan, which is the startup plan, you can see the price in here, which is $49. And what you can get is different from the both of them. You can see that it's not everything you can get from this part here, you can get from here. And you can see that there is almost 108 available, so which is something very, very good. And let us say, for example, you come back to the main website, you want to make a purchase, you can only pay this price for just only once. That is what I want you to be aware of. You can pay this price for just only once, for just in the price of $89 $89 only, and you have full access to this too. So you can go and start writing article, generating blog about anything you want to write about. That is what you have to know about the first tool, which is wordhero. So let us move to the second AI content writing tool. So the second AI writing tool, which is this website, which is called creaitor.ai. So this tool is a create engaging content with a powerful AI writing assistance. So those two are AI assistants too. I don't want you to rely on them when you are writing a blog. What I want to say something here: do not just rely on AI to just do all the work for you. What you can do, you can use the AI as an assistant. You can be writing, and anywhere you find difficulties of writing, you can use the AI tool, or the AI can write and you can retouch the content, like changing some word, rewrite some parts of this content. Make sure you are following this instruction I'm giving you. Don't just rely on AI, but you need to make sure you are tweaking the content to make it look different from what the AI have done. Retouch it, change the image, change the word, do a little bit touching. Is very, very important for your content to look more professional. So that is what tips I want you to give you on this part. So this tool is available on Appsumo, and you can get it for just one-time purchase of $89 at this moment. And they have different keys. I think they have 3 keys and 3 licenses. I call it a key. And on their 3 license, they have the $89, and they have the $178, and they have the one of $269. So if we scroll down here, let us say we want these two. You can scroll down just to see what each one of the two have. So you can come here now and see what you can get. So the single plan, which is you can get all features above, including and unlimited characters per month and 5 active users and SEO, Appsumo, so and other things that you can get from the double. You can see the double here, which is you can get all features and unlimited characters and so on. It keeps on going and so on and so on. So on the multiple plan, which is the $267, you can get all the things, like all unlimited. You can get all things, unlimited things that you can get if you pick this price for just one-time purchase of just $267, while the double plan, which is the $178, and the single plan, which is the $89. So that is it. You can see $89, $178, and $267. So they have a different plan, and you can pick any plan right now and go and start using it to start writing a blog and generating articles, sending out emails. For those of you who have a business, this is a good tool that you can get right now to go and start using on that your business. I don't know what you are waiting for. You can get this tool right now and start using it at your own profit, at your own good. So what I want to say, like I'm saying before, if this AI tool do any work for you, tweak it, retouch the content at least a little bit, at least let me say 20% tweaking is okay by me. 20% tweaking is okay by me. So that is what you need to know about this tool, which is called creaitor.ai. And let us say, for example, we want to compare, sorry about that. So let us compare the pricing from the main website. So let us go to the main website right now. So on their main website, you can see that the basic plan, which was $89, and the standard plan, which is the one of 100 and I think it was $180 something, $178, and that is this price here, which is now $29 per month. And the one of 200 and words, it was $267. That is the one here that is available now for $59 monthly. And the one of $178 is now up in the price of
monthly subscription, which is $29, and the one of $89, which is now $9 per month. So those, now you are taking it as a monthly subscription. Remember that you are paying only once on Appsumo, but on the main website you are going to be paying in regular basis, which is monthly, which is something completely different from what Appsumo is going to offer you. So this is a great opportunity for you to go and pick these two now on Appsumo. So to get these two, the link will be in our description. If you compare the pricing of what you can see here and what you can see on the main website, you can see that is completely different, and they have the annual plan too, which is 100% different from what we have seen. You can see the price of the annual plan, it increased multiple times. So that is what I want you to know about these two, which is called creaitor.ai, and you can go and get these two right now if you want, and the link of these two will be in the description below. So I want you to keep on watching because I have a bonus at the end of this video. So just keep on watching because I have a bonus for you guys at the end of this video. So let us move to the third AI content writing tool or AI content assistant tool. So let us move to the third app of this video. So this is the third app, which is called texta.ai. Texta.ai is AI content generator tool like other two that I've talked about, which is wordhero and creaitor.ai. So now this is texta.ai. So texta.ai is a blog writer tool, so you can say easily generate long form content for your blog and e-commerce, social media, and more. So that is what they do. And if you scroll down here now, you can go and see the pricing of these two. You can see that the pricing of these two is just in a price of $69 only, one-time purchase. $69 only. There is not like multiple monthly subscription at the end of this your payment. No, you are just going to pay this amount of money and you will have full lifetime access to these two. Anytime you want, you can log in, write anything you want to write about, and you will be doing that anytime you want. So that is what I want you to know about this content writing tool, which is texta.ai. And you can see the pricing here is in a price of $69. Let us compare it to the pricing on their main website. So let us go to their main website, texta.ai. So we are on texta.ai website here. So what you have to do is to click on this section where it says pricing. So if you click on pricing, you will see that the monthly plan here, the startup plan, which is $10 per month, and they have the Pro Max plan, which is $17 per month, and they have the Pro Max Plus plan, which is $29 per month. Comparing it to what you are seeing on apps, to what you can see here on Appsumo, you can see that the pricing on Appsumo here is just in a price of $69, and on their main website here, you can see that is $10 per month, which is the startup plan, and they have the Pro Max plan, which is in the price of $17, and they have the Pro Max plan, which is $29 per month. So comparing it to what you can see here on Appsumo, you can see that Appsumo is offering us a great deal, and if I have money, I can make the purchase of these two that worth $15,000, so not $15,000 but $5,000, $5,949 per month. That is what you are supposed to pay per year, but now you are just getting it for just in a price of $69. Only one-time purchase. Only one-time purchase. You can see what it says here. It says one-time purchase of $69. So that is it, guys. If you want to do a review of each one of those applications or tools I've talked about, you can click on review here to see what people have been talking about each tools that I just showed you on this video. So that is it, and I'm going to end this video. But before I end it, I told you that I have a bonus for you guys. So the bonus of this video is this tool, which is called neuronwriter. Neuronwriter is a tool that allows you to optimize your blog to rank at the top of Google. So if you want to use neuronwriter now, neuronwriter is available on Appsumo, and you can get it for a lifetime deals. So you can purchase it only, you can make a purchase of only one-time license, and you have full lifetime access to this tool, and you can optimize your blog in multiple ways that you want, and you have full access to this tool, which is neuronwriter. So to get neuronwriter now, if you scroll down here now, you can see the pricing, which is just $69 one-time purchase, and if you scroll it here, they have almost license. They have the $138, $207, $76 and $345, and that is how much you can use to buy it. The keys, any one of the code you pick here and you make the purchase, they have a limit of what you can get, and you can see that they have almost 170 language plus that you can use on this AI tool, which is neuronwriter. So to get neuronwriter right now, it will be the fourth link in the description. So let us go to neuronwriter main website so that you can see the tool and understand that I'm offering you a good thing here, and I'm showing a good tool that will help you in your blogging business. So as you can see, this is neuronwriter main website, and on their main website here, if I click on pricing, because I like to do the comparison of the pricing on Appsumo and on their main website. So you can see that on their main website, they have the $19 per month, $57. So $19, $37, and $57. Those are monthly subscription, and each subscription have a limit of what you can have. So there is no like unlimited. It's just this one that have unlimited of the things you can do, and that is it. So what you can do here, what I recommend that is, they even have other 3 plans that I didn't even talk about. So you can see the other plan, which is $77 per month, and they have the diamond plan, which is $97 monthly. So those are the ones that have unlimited things that you can do. And if you keep on scrolling down here, you can see a lot of things that you can do from this AI tool. And let us do the comparison from Appsumo. If you come to Appsumo here, you can see that you are going to get this tool for just in a price of $69 for one-time license. So you can get this tool right now, which is available on Appsumo. You can go and get this tool right now on Appsumo. So the link will be the fourth link that like I talked about on this video. So you can go and get this tool. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. I'll end this video from here, and again, don't forget to watch this video that will pop up, that will show you step by step how you can make money with affiliate program and how you can make money by just taking service. So I'll end this video from here, guys. Like I said, if you make any purchase of those tools, make sure you withdraw the tool within 60 days. You can see, make sure you withdraw the tool within 60 days, and you can get your money back guarantee within 60 days. So that is it, guys. I will end this video from here, and I will say thank you very much, guys. See you on my next video that I'm going to make about Appsumo tools, because I'm making these videos each month. I'm making one video about Appsumo's lifetime deals on this my YouTube channel every single month. So I'm making one video at least every single month. So keep on commenting, subscribing, keep on supporting me, and let's keep on moving. I'll say thank you very much, guys. See you on my next video.